We use bricks just to help us out, see what's up with the hive. So next time when we come, we know. So green means good. Red means that the hive is dead. We didn't find no queen or eggs. Yellow is like we didn't see the queen, but we know it's good. And then blue is that it's in process of a project going on right now with it. So we shouldn't be like messing around with it too much.
Almonds are a specialty crop in the sense that a lot of the almond varieties we have right now are self-incompatible. They absolutely need bees for pollination. So overall, anything that you look at as being very, very nutritious for humans in our diet has the effect of bees pollinating them. The big picture is this is a part of the ecosystem that's essential. When you see a lot of rapid changes or extreme weather conditions, the demand on these bees is really, really high because they are now taking resources away from finding food and feeding larvae and raising the brood to cooling the hive or warming the hive and kind of maintaining the hive at that correct temperature. One thing fails, for example, if you don't have foragers going out and bringing back food into the hive, the larvae are going to starve, and then the next generation of worker brood is not going to be produced. And that is going to lead to the colony declining gradually. So a very small deviation from the normal can actually impact the colony very, very heavily.
So I study how different chemicals that are used in our environment to combat different pests honeybees might encounter when they're foraging then impact the reproductive behaviors of the colony, ultimately resulting in potentially brood loss or colony population declines.
I was trying to find you mites. What's that?
Those are the parasites that are there on the hives right now. That's basically the big problem factor that honeybees all over the country are facing. So what she'll do now is scoop out bees, put them into alcohol and shake it.
And we could actually see some mites already.
Yeah.
See at the bottom.
Yeah, you see those black dots? The hope of the long-term monitoring to kind of come up with here are the guidelines and here are the management practices. When we were out at the apiaries, we were showing you what exactly we record in the hives. So one of the measures is called frames of bees. How many actual frames of live bees are there in the colony? That's a good measure of colony strength. And so what we hope our research will show is that what is this good number? What is a good number for frame of bees? So that we can tell the beekeepers, hey, when you're monitoring your hives, this is where your range should be. Monitoring them regularly, keeping track of whether you have the given number of bees in the colony actually helps us understand whether the colony is doing well or has it started declining. And the earlier you catch the decline, the better is the chance that you will be able to recover the colony and help it get back on a good trajectory.